Open Align 7a.dwg, which is located in the Tutorials Drawings folder. Click Home tab, Create Design Panel Alignment drop-down Alignment Creation Tools. In the Create Alignment Layout dialog box, accept the default values for name and starting station. Leave the description field blank for this exercise. On the General tab, specify the following parameters. Site, none. Alignment style, design style. Alignment layer, C-Road. Alignment label set, major, minor and geometry points. On the Design Criteria tab, for starting design speed, enter 50 km per hour. Select the Use Criteria-based Design checkbox in the Use Design Criteria file area, click. In the Select Design Speed Table dialog box, select _Autodesk Civil 3D Metric Roadway Design Standards.xml. Click Open. In the Default Criteria table, in the Minimum Radius table row, change the value to ASHTO 2001 Emax 6%. In the Use Design Check Set list, select 50 kmh roadway length checks. Click OK on the Alignment Layout Tools toolbar, click Tangent, no curves. Snap to the center of circle A to specify a start point for the alignment. On the Alignment Layout Tools toolbar, click Free Spiral Curve Spiral between two entities. As prompted on the command line, click the tangent entity that enters circle B from the left, the first entity. Click the tangent that exits circle B on the right, the next entity. Press Enter to accept the default value of a curve solution angle that is less than 180 degrees. For radius, enter 75. For spiral and length, enter 25. For spiral out length, enter 25, and the Alignment Layout Tools toolbar, click the drop-down list. Click Free Curve Fillet between two entities, radius. As prompted on the command line, click the tangent that enters circle C from the left, the first entity. Click the tangent that exits from circle C on the right, the next entity. Press Enter to select the default value of a curve less than 180 degrees. Press Enter to select the minimum radius of 90.000 m. Right-click to end the command and the Alignment Layout Tools toolbar, click the drop-down list. Select More Floating Curves Floating Curve, from Entity End, Radius, Length. As prompted on the command line, click the tangent entity that ends in circle D, the entity to attach to on the command line, enter O to specify the counterclockwise direction. Enter a radius value of 200.000 m. When prompted to specify a curve length, click in the center of circle D, and then click in the center of circle E. Right-click to end the command. Pan and zoom until you can see circles B and C on the surface. Hover the cursor over the middle symbol in circle B. F. The Alignment Layout Tools toolbar is not open, select the alignment. Right-click. Click Edit Alignment Geometry. On the Alignment Layout Tools toolbar, click Alignment Grid View in row 2.2. Hover the cursor over the warning symbol in the No column. Hover the cursor over the warning symbol in row 4 on the Alignment Layout Tools toolbar. Click Subentity Editor in the Alignment Entities vista. Click any row for segment number 2, which is the Spiral Curve Spiral entity in circle B. Correct design criteria violations. In the Alignment Layout Parameters window, on the Layout Parameters panel, change the spiral and length value to 33.000 m. Press Enter. Change the spiral out length value to 33.000 m. Press Enter. Change the curve radius value to 100.000 m. Press Enter in the Alignment Entities vista, in row 2.2, examine the length column in row 2.2, change the radius value to 200.000 m. Press Enter. In the Alignment Entities vista, select row 4. In the Radius column, change the value to 100.000 m. Press Enter. In Toolspace, on the Settings tab, expand the Alignment Design Checks collection. Right-click the line collection. Click New. In the New Design Check dialog box, for name, enter 310m at 50 km per hour. Best practice. For description, enter tangent length must be equals 310m if design speed is greater than or equal to 50 km per hour. Click Insert Function. Click If. The If function is displayed in the expression field. Click Insert Property. Select Design Speed. In the expression field, use the keypad to enter greater than or equal to 50, including the comma, after the design speed property. Click Insert Property. Select Length. In the expression field, enter equals 310, 1, including the closing parenthesis. The following formula should be displayed in the expression field. If design speed equals 50, length equals 310, 1, and Toolspace, on the Settings tab, expand the Alignment Design Checks line collection and Toolspace, on the Settings tab, expand the Alignment Design Checks Design Checksets collection. Right-click the 50 kmh roadway length checks design checkset. Click Edit. In the Alignment Design Check Set dialog box, click the Design Checks tab in the Type list, select Line. In the Type list, select Line. In the Line Checks list, select 310m at 50 km per hour, which is the design check that you created in the previous procedure. Click Add. Click OK. If the Alignment Layout Tools toolbar is not open, select the alignment. Right-click. Click Edit Alignment Geometry. On the Alignment Layout Tools toolbar, click Alignment Grid View. Click Subentity Editor. In the Alignment Entities vista, select row 5. In the Alignment Layout Parameters dialog box, examine the length value. Open align7c.dwg, which is located in the Tutorials Drawings folder. In the drawing, select the alignment. Click Alignment tab. Modify Panel Design Criteria Editor on the left side of the dialog box. Expand the Alignment's Minimum Radius Tables collection. The collection contains several minimum radius tables. Right-click Minimum Radius Tables. Click New Minimum Radius Table. An empty table appears at the end of the Minimum Radius Tables collection. Double-click the new entry and replace the new minimum radius table text with Local Standards Emax 7%. Press Enter. On the left side of the dialog box, expand the Alignment's Minimum Radius Tables collection. The collection contains several minimum radius tables. Right-click Minimum Radius Tables. Click New Minimum Radius Table. An empty table appears at the end of the Minimum Radius Tables collection. Double-click the new entry and replace the new minimum radius table text with Local Standards Emax 7%. Press Enter. On the left side of the dialog box, expand the Alignment's Minimum Radius Tables collection. The collection contains several minimum radius tables. Right-click Minimum Radius Tables. Click New Minimum Radius Table. An empty table appears at the end of the Minimum Radius Tables collection. Double-click the new entry and replace the new minimum radius table text with Local Standards Emax 7%. Press Enter. In the Design Criteria File Editor dialog box, on the left-hand side, ensure that the Local Standards Emax 7% table is selected. On the right-hand side of the dialog box, select the first row in the table. Click the Speed cell. Select 50 from the list. Click the Radius cell. Enter 54. Press Enter. Repeat steps 2 and 3 to add the following values to the table. Speed radius 7125, 9235, 110 387, 130 586. In the comments field, enter minimum radii for 7% superelevation at various design speeds. Further exploration, expand the other collections on the left-hand side of the dialog box. Right-click the various folders and tables and examine the options that are available. Click Save and Close. When you are notified that the file has unsaved changes, click Save Changes and exit.